No matter how big or small, the entrance foyer or the entry to a home truly sets the tone for the experience you're going to have once you're inside. And more often than not, people don't know what to do with the space. So they literally pop a piece of art on the wall, maybe a hall table if you're lucky, and they run for the hills. But like any good design, it can be as pretty as you want, but without function, then it is absolutely pointless. So we're about to make over this entry foyer of this property. It's quite a big home, has a normal sized family in there. What's normal? 2.5 kids apparently. It actually has 3 children in this house. So we're going to make over this foyer with some functional and beautiful pieces to make sure that every single person that comes through the door feels welcomed and wowed. All right, so I've brought in a beautiful big marble table. It is a perfect fit for the alcove that's created here. It's very classic being marble, but it has some beautiful straight legs which are really quite contemporary, which suit the architecture and style of the actual building really well. I now want to create some interest at an eye level in this space. So I'm bringing in this gorgeous botanical in some really soft pastels. It's going to create a really natural, welcoming element as people come in. Now, when you're hanging your art, you always need to make sure that the middle of the art is at eye level. So some people say, well, what is eye level? Around an average eye level that you want to be hanging the middle of the art at is about 170 to 175 centimeters. All right, so we've popped in this runner to really give that elongated, welcoming feel when you come in, and this awesome bench to mean that this family has somewhere to sit when they're popping their shoes on for school or when they're coming home from a big day at work. Now, given this is for a family, I've made sure that there's plenty of texture and movement in this fabric, so it won't show up any small little scuffs or stains. So this entry foyer came with a ready-made art nook like many have over the past couple of decades. Rather than popping a different piece to our botanical in there though, which might have made the space feel just that little bit busy, I'm going for a perfect companion piece, laid landscape. Now that the large pieces are done, time for some essential finishing touches. Here comes the fun. Now, varying your heights when you're styling is important all the way down to your plants. You can get these handy little plant stands pretty much anywhere nowadays, and they're a great way to get different heights at all levels of styling. There you have it, we are done. A family-friendly, functional entry foyer. I mean, even the runner on the floor is easy clean for those muddy football boots. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this episode of DIY Wednesday. It would mean the world to me if you liked the video and subscribed to the channel, and I'll be back to see you on Friday.